Hello. Do you feel overwhelmed by your debts? Are you being crushed by credit card debt? Do you feel like you have no money every month, or you want extra money to spend every month? Do you want to get rich quick? Call me at 1-800-MO-MONEY. I have a solution for you. Do you want to have more money than you ever expected? Do you want to get out of debt and have more money? Then call us at 1-800-MORE-MONEY. It's just $2 to tell you how to get more money. That's 1-800-666-6639 for more money. Hello? Is this 1-800-MO-MONEY? Yes, this is Mo Money. Do you want to have more money? Yes, I do want to have more money. Now, is it really just $2 to get started? It is $2, sir, and we take the payment up front. Awesome. Can I have your payment information, please? Here's my payment information. Now, how do I make more money? How do I get started? Thank you for your payment, sir. And to get more money, just stop spending money. Seriously, that's it? Just stop spending money? Yes, sir. Please don't get excited. Great. I just paid $2 for you to tell me to stop spending money. I need to go to the store and buy things. Sir, if you just listen, don't go to the store and spend money. If you don't spend money, you will have more money and all your wildest dreams will come true. Fantastic! Just what I needed to hear. You guys at 1-800-MO-MONEY are making money off of me and you're getting rich. Thanks for nothing. You're welcome, sir. I hope this advice works well for you and that you can stop spending money so you can have more money. And thank you for calling the Mo Money Hotline. And thank you for watching. For just a click on that subscribe money, you can be subscribed to watch more content. I promise it will not cost you $2. It will only cost you a few seconds to like, comment, and subscribe. Satisfaction guaranteed.